this video, I'm going to discuss about localize control in ASP.NET. So, and here about the localize control, so it reserves place on web page which display static text. So, like level control, like lateral control, we can also use localize control to display static text. So, and here let's go to designer. Now, here you can drag this. Now here you can go to source. Here there is a one localize control that added. Now here you can say, oh, this is the ID localize one, run it server, so that means run on the server here. Here after the next thing is, let's go to designer, and here I'm going to add one button control. So at here let's write button control. So when user click on button, so their click event fire and their display at here some text using localize control. So at here you can write localize. Now this is the ID localize. Here if you press dot, so here you can find properties event. Now at here going to use, so this all on event inside localize and properties are there. So going to use add here text. Now here after let's use interval code, going to write add here hello world. Hello world, and here after let's execute that and check the output of localized control. So at here you can see button control. So if I click on button, so at here in localize hello world text or at here displaying. So here this is the things. So the main purpose of localize control, you can add here or you can add some text on web pages. So let's drag one more localize. So here you can see localize to, and here there are appearance, and here this is the ID. Now here you can write any kind of text. So it's going to write at here ASP.NET tutorial. Now here after this is the text that added. Now here if you go, here you can see this all are events. So here you can see data bindings. So we can bind with button or page load. And here this all are events there. And here this is the text. The text will be shown for the literals, and here this is the ID. Now here after let's execute that. So here you can see ASP.NET, it's displaying at this point. Now here you can see this is the localized text, it's displaying ASP.NET tutorial. Now if I click add here, so here you can see on button click event, there is the one localized one text, and here it's displaying hello world. So this is the main purpose of using localized control to display a static text on the web page. This is one more thing. So if you use add here level control, so if you use level control, the level control has this kind of properties like enable font color you can do on level control. So at here let's drag literal. So literal has this kind of property, but at here if you're using at here localize control, so localize has only ID and text. So for a small purpose, only for if you are going for only writing text on the web page, then you should go at here localize control. So only you can write the text on here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.